If you want to add fractions fast, multiply the first diagonal. 3 times 5 is 15. Multiply the second diagonal. 4 times 2 is 8. Lastly, multiply the denominators. 4 times 5 is 20. All right, 15 plus 8, that is 23. Keep the 20 on the bottom, and that right there is the answer. Now, if you want to learn the proper way to do this, stick around. The first step you want to do is identify the least common denominator, and that is going to be the least common multiple of the denominators, which here is 4 and 5. What is the LCD of 4 and 5? That is going to be 20. Your second step here is to rewrite both fractions so that they're out of 20. We need to change 3/4 so that it's out of 20 instead, and we also need to change 2/5 so it's also out of 20. Well, how can we turn a 4 into a 20 via multiplication? And that would be times 5. But whatever you do to the denominator, you must also do to the numerator, and 3 times 5 is 15, meaning 3 out of 4 and 15 out of 20 are equivalent fractions. They just have different denominators. All right, how do we turn the 5 into a 20 via multiplication? And that is going to be times 4. Do the same to the top. 2 times 4 is 8, meaning 2 out of 5 and 8 out of 20 are equivalent fractions. So if you want to add them, which is the third step here to actually add them, you're not going to add 3/4 and 2/5. You're going to add 15/20 and 8/20. So let's do that. 15 out of 20 plus 8 out of 20. And again, you just add the numerators here. Don't change the denominator. 15 plus 8, we already did, is 23 out of 20. And I get it. You're wondering, do I need to bother doing all that if I could just do the multiply diagonals and multiply the denominator? No, not necessarily, but the more you know, the more skilled you'll be with bigger problems.